AI is everywhere right now. Everyone's talking about it. ChatGPT this, ChatGPT that, and yeah, it's a game changer. But let me tell you something most people aren't saying. AI itself doesn't make you money. Using AI without a real business model behind it is kind of like having a Ferrari with no gas. It looks cool, sure, but you're not going anywhere. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I'm using AI in my business to make over $1,000 a day. Let's get into it. First, let's talk about what AI actually does well. AI allows us to do work faster. It helps us to research. It's an absolute game changer for content creation, for example. I use it for my YouTube scripts, and it cuts down my scripting time by hours per script. It's insane. Before AI, I'd sit here staring at a blank document, trying to organize my thoughts, figure out the structure, write everything out. It would take me 3, 4, sometimes 5 hours to write a single script. Now, I can do it in under 1 hour. I give AI my outline, my talking points, the style I want to use, and it gives me a first draft that then I can edit and make my own. Now that's the key. I'm not just blindly copying and pasting what AI spits out. If you do this, it will probably be pretty bad. I'm using it as a tool to speed up the process. It handles the heavy lifting, and I add my voice, my experience, my stories, my personality. That's how you use AI effectively. It's a productivity multiplier, not a replacement for using your brain. I also use AI for research. When I'm creating content or building a course, sometimes I need to pull information fast. AI can summarize articles, pull key points, help me understand complex topics quickly. It's like having a research assistant that works instantly. And for content ideas, AI is incredible. I can feed it my niche, my audience, and get dozens of content angles in just seconds. Again, I'm not using these ideas verbatim. I'm using them as inspiration, as starting points. Then, I filter them through my own experience and knowledge, of course, to create something valuable. But here is where most people screw up. They see AI, they get excited, and they think AI itself is the business. It's not. AI is a tool. It's a hammer. And if you don't know what you're building, having the best hammer in the world doesn't matter. You need to be careful not to fall for every new shiny AI thing that pops up. Because AI is trendy right now. Everyone's trying to slap AI onto everything. AI email writers, AI video editors, AI coaches, AI this, AI that. And people forget what actually works behind the AI. They chase the tool, they become obsessed with it instead of using it to build a real business and print cash. I literally see this all the time. Someone discovers AI, they start using it to create content, and they think that's the business. They pump out AI-generated blog posts or AI-made videos and wonder why they're not making money. It's because they're missing the most important part, a business model, a way to actually monetize what they're creating. AI can help you create content faster, but if that content isn't connected to an offer, to something people will pay for, you're just making noise. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. So let me show you the actual business model I use, the funnel that generates over $1,000 a day. And then I'll show you exactly where AI fits into that funnel. Here's the model. We sell high-ticket programs or services. These programs or services can range from $1,000 to $10,000 or more. And here's the best part. We keep 90 to 98% profit. Why? Because we use social media as free advertising to get sales and customers. You don't have to start with paid advertising. The worst thing you can do as a beginner is bet your last $1,000 on paid ads. What we're doing is using organic content to attract the right people, build trust, and convert them into buyers. Now, why do we sell high-ticket programs and services instead of physical products like with dropshipping? Simple. Dropshipping is dog shit. Yeah, I said it. It doesn't work anymore. You're competing with a million other people selling the exact same products from AliExpress. You're dealing with 5 to 20% profit margins if you're lucky. But most people aren't even profitable. All they're doing is just making Facebook and Shopify richer by spending money on ads and their platform fees while they're barely breaking even. And even if you do make a profit, you're stuck in a never-ending cycle of having to find new products, starting again from scratch, testing new ads, dealing with supplier issues, handling customer complaints about products that take 6 weeks to arrive. It's a nightmare, and it's not scalable in a real way. High-ticket programs or services are completely different. Especially if you sell a high-ticket program, you create a course one time, you sell it over and over. You don't have to worry about restocking inventory, shipping delays, or uncooperative suppliers. All you do is turn what you know into an online course, or a program, or a service. And because the margins are so high, you can actually get filthy fucking rich. You're not scraping by on $3 profit per sale. You're making thousands per sale, and most of it goes straight in your pocket. So here's the exact funnel we use to make over $1,000 a day. It can be simplified in 4 steps: offer, content, sales, and delivery. Let me break down each one. Step 1 is the offer. You need something valuable to sell. For us, we simply pick a painful problem for someone and we help them to fix it. Maybe it's that they're not able to lose weight on their own. If it's a personal problem, we can help people repair a broken relationship, overcome an addiction, etc. If it's a business problem, we figure out why they're not making enough money and we help them with that. You could help people with marketing, fitness, how to learn a language, how to trade stocks, whatever it is that other people want to pay to learn. The key is that it must solve a real problem or help people achieve a real result. It can't just be information. It has to help people to get a result. People don't just buy courses or pay for coaches, they buy outcomes. Remember that. Step 2, content. This is how you attract customers and build trust. You start off by creating content on social media. It could be YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, whatever platform your audience is on. The best are honestly YouTube and Instagram. And you give away value for free. You teach, you share your story, you show results, you demonstrate you know what you're talking about, and you can help your customers. This content does 2 things. It brings people into your world and it pre-sells them on your offer. By the time they're ready to buy, they already trust you. They already see you as the expert. And then getting the sale becomes pretty easy because you've already done the work through your content. Like honestly, the easiest sales you'll ever have is from people who watch your content before. So not making content, especially in 2025, 2026, is just shooting yourself in the foot for no fucking reason. Just make content. This is where AI comes in big time. Like I said earlier, AI helps me to create content way faster. I can script videos in a fraction of the time. I can brainstorm content ideas in minutes. I can research topics quickly. I can even use AI to analyze what's working in my niche and adapt my content strategy. AI doesn't create the content for me, but it speeds up the process so I can pump out more high quality content consistently. And consistency is one of the things you need to win on social media. The people who show up every day, who show up constantly, are the ones who grow. AI helps me to maintain that consistency without burning out. Step 3, sales calls. When someone watches your content and they're interested in your offer, they have the problem that you can solve, some will book a call with you. This is where you close the deal if it's a good fit. You get on a call, you understand their problems, you show them how your course, program, or service can solve that problem, and you enroll them if they agree. Now, I know that for a lot of people, sales calls are scary. I get it. To be honest with you, my first ever sales call, my heart was beating so fast in my chest, I genuinely felt like I was about to have a heart attack. It was insane. Most people think they're not good at sales, but here's the thing. If your content is good, the call is just a conversation. You're not trying to convince anyone to do something they don't want to do. You're just helping them to see that your offer is the solution they need if they actually need it. And guess what? You can even use AI to help you train for sales calls. You can feed AI common objections and have it help you craft responses. You can use it to role-play sales scenarios. You can use it to analyze your call recordings and identify where you're losing people. AI becomes your sales coach. It helps you get better, faster. Step 4, delivery. Once they buy, you deliver the course. We can use a simple course platform where students can access all the lessons like Kajabi, System.io, ClickFunnels, and we do 1 weekly group coaching call where we answer questions, provide feedback, and help them implement what they're learning. This keeps students engaged and ensures they actually get results, which leads to you getting testimonials and referrals and getting more business. And again, AI can help here again. You can use AI to help create course outlines, structure lessons, even draft scripts for your course videos. It speeds up the entire process. So that's the funnel. Offer, content, sales calls, delivery. And AI plugs into almost every step to make you faster and more efficient, especially if you can't afford a team yet. But notice, AI is the tool, not the business. The business is selling high-ticket programs or services. The business is the value you provide. AI just helps you to do it better and faster. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. Here's what this looks like in practice. I wake up, I use AI to help me script content for the week. That content goes out on my social media and attracts potential customers in my business. Some of those people book a call, and on those calls, I enroll them on my program when it's the right fit. They pay me anywhere from $1,000 to $10,000. Then I deliver the course and the coaching. The whole system runs on high margins because there's no product cost, no ad spend eating into profits, just value for money. And because I'm using AI to speed up content creation, I can focus more time on the high value activities, sales calls, course creation, actually helping my customers to get awesome results. I'm not stuck spending 5 hours writing one script or researching a topic. AI can handle that in just a few minutes, and I move on to the things that actually make money. This is how you build a real business with AI without needing a huge team. You don't chase AI tools hoping they'll magically make you rich. You build a solid business model first, something that actually makes real money, and then you use AI to make that business more efficient, more scalable, more profitable. If you want to copy what I'm doing, sell high-ticket programs and make thousands of dollars a day, here's what you do. Pick a niche first. It could be something you know, something you're passionate about, learning and teaching. Then you create an offer around it. It could be a high-ticket program, as in a course, or it could be a service. Start creating content consistently on YouTube or Instagram, or both, to attract your ideal audience. Use AI to speed up that content creation process so you can stay consistent without burning out. And then, get the right people on sales calls and close them into your program. What comes after that is delivering an amazing experience so they get results, you get testimonials, you get more business, they're happy, everybody wins. Rinse and repeat. That's it. That's the method. The big lesson I want you to understand is that using AI in your business is not going to change anything by itself. AI helps you to do stuff quicker. But first, you need to be working on the right business model, on a business model which is actually profitable. You're not going to fix a broken fucking business model just by throwing some random AI automation in there. Stop using AI as a shiny tool. Use it to amplify what works. That's how you actually make FU money. If you'd like me to personally help you to build a profitable online business so you can reach financial freedom as quickly as possible, check out the free training I made for you. It's the link in the description. And you can also apply to book a call with me or a member of my team so we can help you to implement all of it. But be quick because we have limited spots. With that said, I'll see you on the other side.